Hi guys, it's Caitlin Lizardi here at Sizzix. Sending and receiving cards in the mail is one of my favorite things. It's kind of like opening a present on Christmas morning. But sometimes we spend all our time creating the perfect card and completely forget about what covers it, the envelope. With my collection of envelope embellishing dies, stamps, and framelits, you now have everything you need to create an envelope as beautiful as your card. The set of envelope liner dies works perfectly alongside our Sizzix craft colored envelopes, which come in sizes A7 and A2. These liners have interchangeable phrases that you can use to insert a peekaboo greeting inside the flap of your envelope. For addressing the envelope is a set of clear stamps that has a label shape to fit the mailing address and another label shape for the return address, as well as cute sentiments in hand-drawn calligraphy. To further decorate the envelopes are postage stamp, and framelits, as well as wax seal stamp and framelits, which comes with interchangeable centers. Wax seals are a returning trend, and these stamp and framelits make it easy to recreate this classic look without the hassle or pain of real hot wax. For the corners and back flaps of the envelopes are decorative borders. Because the designs come at a right angle, they also work nicely on any corner of your envelope. To complete the collection is festive confetti, designed to greet you as you open your envelope and card with a sprinkle of cheer. So with this collection, you'll have everything you need to give your card the envelope it deserves.